Samantala, ipinabuot ni US President Barack Obama kay Pangulong Aquino ang kagustuhan niyang makabisita sa Pilipinas bago matapos ang kanyang termino. Ayon kay Communications Secretary Ricky Carantang, bahagi ito ng mga sinabi ni Obama kay Pangulong Aquino matapos personal siyang tawagan para ipaalam na ipagpapaliban muna ang state visit sa Pilipinas. Oktubre 11 at 12 ang dapat sana'y pagbisita sa Pilipinas ng lider ng Amerika. Tatayong kinatawan ni Obama si US Secretary of State John Kerry.
Tuloy yung visit ni Secretary Kerry dito. He will go in place of President Obama. President Obama personally called President Aquino to explain to him why he could not make the visit. As you know, there's a government shutdown in the US and they cut their trip by about half. So he cut out the Malaysia and Philippines leg of his visit. President Obama told President Aquino that he wants to come to the Philippines at a later date before the end of his term. So we do expect to welcome President Obama here sometime before he steps down.